Alright, so now we're going to change the fluid into front differential. I'm using a T55 to get the fill and drain plug out. So I'll go ahead and pull, make sure the fill plug comes out before I touch the drain. And it did, it broke loose. I'll come down to here, do the same thing to the drain plug. Alright, and it broke loose also. So I'll go ahead and take the fill plug out. Set that to the side and clean it afterwards. And now I'll go ahead and do this. It's probably gonna make a huge mess because I have the skid plate on and I don't want to take it off. So tarp at least keep it from getting everywhere. So to kind of restrict it, I'm expected to go through that hole there. So I'm just gonna hold the plug here and force it through the hole through the skid plate. It's going down my wrist and my shirt. Feels nice and warm. I just drove it. So I'm gonna look at the drain plug. I just kind of pulled the sludge off. I don't have any metal shavings. If there is, this will collect it. I just kind of had sludge, but zero metal shavings, so that's good. I'll clean these off, let that drain all the way, and then we'll fill it back up with 75/90. Both washers are in good shape. I'm not worried about replacing those. Alright, so to fill it up, I just went to Home Depot. It's got some clear 1/2-inch tubing. I'm going to throw that into the fill hole, and then I'm just going to come up here through the driver's side front wheel well just to fill it up, make it easier. And then it'd be nice if you can have someone sit down here and watch the fill plug just to let them know when it starts dripping out. So I think I can actually see it a little bit. Alright, it's done draining. Go ahead and throw my fill plug back in. Alright, now I'll torque everything down and I'll clean everything up. Be 48 foot-pounds on the drain plug and then 29 foot-pounds on the fill plug. Alright, good to go. Clean everything up and front diff is done.